Autocross day. We have so far done our work assignments, and now we're course walking and getting our video started. So yesterday we spent the day at a tire rack street survival. If you've never heard of that, it's a defensive driving course for teenagers, and it is amazing. We do all kinds of different scenarios with them and teach them car control, and then we do a little autocross-ish course with them, and we have a couple other things that we do, but super awesome course. I'll have a link for that in the bottom. So right now we're just getting started, and this little lady gets a little sad when she doesn't have as much gas as she thinks she needs. So we're gonna fill her up and then head over. I don't know, we do weird things and then we find them later. So we're on group 1 in a 2-driver car. Justin's getting in and we're heading to grid. Show it to us. 71.7. Dang. had an autocross today. We actually had a 2-day weekend, but the first day was Saturday, and that was a street survival. Like I said earlier, if you've never heard of that, there's a website listed down below, so go check it out. Definitely, if you have teenagers who are getting started driving. Justin was an instructor this weekend. His student did really well. And today we had an autocross. So today we had a super long course. I think, what was the fastest time of day? Did you hear?
Fastest was 68 exo set.
68.0 in an exo set. That's crazy. So my fastest run, I believe to be, was a 74 something. I don't remember. 74 something. With a cone though. I think I had a cone on that run. I think, Justin, your fastest run was what, 72?
71.
71?
7 maybe?
71.7. So, just in case you don't put those pieces together, he took first place in our class. I took first loser in our class with second place. And we just got home. We are backing in our driveway. So, if you like what you see, if you enjoy our race videos, hit like and then subscribe to our channel, and we'll keep doing what we do. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon.
You're not going to.
Oh, that's tight. I got that real tight. So, there's no way I'm getting to a 72 today. That's just never gonna happen. Can you hear it? My helmet is the seat.
You're special.
On the other side?
Speed. You're on the opposite.